Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're exploring the best smart telescopes that bring the stars closer than ever with just a tap on your phone or tablet. Whether you're a beginner stargazer or a seasoned astronomer, smart telescopes combine advanced optics with AI tracking, app integration, and automatic object recognition, making skywatching easier and more exciting than ever before. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top smart telescopes, focusing on image clarity, ease of use, build quality, smart features, and overall value. Links to all the featured telescopes are conveniently placed in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started and find the perfect smart telescope to unlock the universe from your backyard. Number 5. ZWO Seestar S50. The ZWO Seestar S50 Telescope is a marvel for stargazing enthusiasts, offering intelligent features that make astrophotography accessible to beginners. Weighing a mere 2.5 kilograms, it's highly portable. With a simple one-button operation, users can connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, open the Seestar app, select stargazing mode, and commence capturing celestial wonders. The telescope's automatic go-to target and tracking shooting capabilities, coupled with insights from the Celestial Encyclopedia, make it a breeze to explore the night sky. The Seestar can last up to 6 hours on a full charge, providing ample time for captivating observations and astrophotography. Designed for ease of use, the Seestar S50 opens up the world of astronomy photography with zero thresholds. Its compact size doesn't compromise on performance, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced stargazers. The telescope's ability to capture detailed images, such as the cluster M13, showcases its versatility and precision. Additionally, the view mode allows users to appreciate distant landscapes beyond the cosmos. With its user-friendly interface, the Seestar S50 empowers users to turn off the camera with a single click, bringing astronomy photography within everyone's reach. In summary, the ZWO Seestar S50 Telescope combines portability, advanced technology, and user-friendly features to make stargazing and astrophotography enjoyable and accessible for enthusiasts of all levels. Number 4. Celestron NexStar Evolution. The Celestron NexStar Evolution Telescope revolutionizes stargazing by seamlessly integrating with your smartphone or tablet. Creating its Wi-Fi network, this Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope connects effortlessly to Celestron's SkyPortal Planetarium app, allowing users to locate celestial objects with a simple tap. Sky-Align technology simplifies the alignment process, requiring the centering of 3 bright objects in the eyepiece. With an internal battery providing up to 10 hours of power, 2 accessory trays, and improved mechanics for precision tracking, the NexStar Evolution offers an elegant and intuitive stargazing experience. Available in 3 optical tube sizes, 6, 8, or 9.25 inches, all models are astro imaging compatible. The Celestron NexStar Evolution Telescope redefines the way enthusiasts interact with the night sky. Its user-friendly design, powered by cutting-edge technology, makes astronomy accessible to both beginners and seasoned stargazers. The telescope's Wi-Fi capability, combined with the SkyPortal app, streamlines the process of locating and observing celestial objects. The internal battery ensures extended usage, while the organized accessory trays and quick setup features enhance the overall stargazing experience. With precise tracking and pointing accuracy, the NexStar Evolution is not just a telescope, it's a portal to the wonders of the universe. Unlock the wonders of the cosmos with a Celestron NexStar Evolution Telescope. This telescope's innovation lies in its simplicity and connectivity, allowing users to explore the night sky effortlessly. The integration with a SkyPortal app and the convenience of Sky-Align technology make stargazing a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a novice, the NexStar Evolution's elegant design, durable construction, and compatibility with astro imaging make it a versatile and powerful tool for observing and capturing the beauty of the celestial realm. Number 3. Vaonis Vespera. Introducing the Vaonis Vespera Smart Evolution Telescope, a revolutionary device that combines the power of a telescope with the convenience of a camera. Weighing only 10 pounds and standing at 15 inches tall, Vespera is designed for easy portability, fitting snugly into your backpack for on-the-go stargazing adventures. Setting up is a breeze with adjustable tripod legs, and the GPS and starfield recognition system ensures precise calibration for optimal viewing. The telescope features a cutting-edge quadruplet apochromatic refractor and a Sony sensor for exceptional image quality, complemented by an advanced image processing algorithm that stacks the best shots for stunning results. With a user-friendly app providing personalized recommendations and educational content, Vespera opens up the wonders of the cosmos to enthusiasts and beginners alike. Former NASA astronauts Terry Virts and Scott Kelly endorse Vespera for its ease of use and revolutionary approach to stargazing. VERTS highlights its lightweight design and versatility, making it more accessible than traditional telescopes. Kelly, inspired by his experiences repairing the Hubble Space Telescope, sees Vespera as a tool to inspire curiosity and exploration. By combining technological innovation with a user-friendly interface, Vaonis invites users to be a part of space exploration history and embark on a new journey into the vastness of space. In conclusion, Vaonis Vespera Smart Evolution Telescope redefines stargazing with its portable and intelligent design. Its lightweight build, powerful optics, and intuitive app make astronomy accessible to everyone, while endorsements from seasoned astronauts emphasize its potential to inspire a new generation of space enthusiasts. Join the exploration and witness the beauty of the night sky with Vespera. Number 2. Unistellar eVscope 2. Introducing the Unistellar eVscope 2 Smart Telescope, a cutting-edge digital telescope that revolutionizes astronomy. Boasting unparalleled optical quality and an incredible visual experience, the eVscope 2 allows both novices and professionals to explore galaxies, nebulae, star clusters, and supernova remnants within minutes. Partnering with Nikon for advanced optical technologies, the telescope features a micro OLED screen for enhanced contrast and a perfect black image. The autonomous field detection algorithm precisely identifies celestial objects, automatically pointing them out for easy observation. The user-friendly app provides educational content, automated observation experiences, and a catalog recommending objects based on location and time. With a 7.7 megapixel resolution, the eVscope 2 offers the highest among digital telescopes, delivering remarkable details, definition, and zoom capabilities. Share your discoveries with up to 10 observers or connect with a global community of 5,000 Unistellar users, making astronomy a collaborative and educational experience. This advanced telescope isn't just a visual marvel, it's a dynamic scientific tool, supported by professional astronomers, including those from the renowned SETI Institute. The eVscope 2 engages users in weekly citizen science programs, contributing to asteroid detection, distant planet observation, supernova tracking, and more. Participate in light curve analysis and modeling, witnessing your data utilized in scientific research. The eVscope 2 invites users to join a new space adventure, combining exploration, education, and scientific contribution. In conclusion, the Unistellar eVscope 2 Smart Telescope transcends traditional stargazing with its advanced optics, user-friendly interface, and scientific engagement. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced astronomer, this telescope offers an unparalleled visual experience and the opportunity to contribute to scientific research, making it a must-have for those seeking an immersive and educational exploration of the cosmos. Number 1. DWARF II. The DWARF II Smart Telescope is a revolutionary device that brings the cosmos closer to you. With dual cameras, including a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, this digital telescope allows you to capture stunning images of celestial bodies like the sun, moon, galaxies, and nebulae, as well as record videos of birds and animals. Controlled effortlessly through the Dwarf Lab app on your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi, this ultra-portable telescope is perfect for both daytime and nighttime observations. Its compact design, weighing just 1.2 kilograms, makes it an ideal companion for stargazing in your backyard or on the go. Equipped with advanced features, the DWARF II Smart Telescope offers auto-star tracking and stacking for astrophotography, compensating for the Earth's rotation to produce clear, bright images. The telescope's AI-powered object recognition and tracking, facilitated by a neural network processing unit (NPU), make it easy to follow and zoom in on your chosen subject, whether it's a celestial body or a moving object on Earth. Additionally, the telescope specifications, including an 8-megapixel telephoto camera and a 2-megapixel wide-angle camera, ensure high-quality imagery. The DWARF II is not just a telescope. It's a smart and versatile tool for capturing the wonders of the universe and observing the beauty of nature. With seamless connectivity, user-friendly controls, and the ability to operate in various environmental conditions, this smart telescope opens up new possibilities for both amateur astronomers and nature enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned astrophotographer or a bird-watching enthusiast, the DWARF II Smart Telescope offers an immersive and hassle-free experience, making it an essential companion for your exploration of the cosmos and the world around you. So that's it for the best smart telescopes of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.